me how do you stand up? Stand up. Stand up. يلا يا أحمد. أحمد رقية محمود. ها مليكة your camera please. عمرو Carla. يلا guys stand up. ها stand up. ها stand up. يلا يا لارا. ها Carla. Stand up please. ها Carla. عمرو and Carla and Malika, please, you should stand up. Stand up and turn on your camera, please. Amra, Carla, and Malika. Amra, Carla, and Malika, please stand up and turn on your camera. Yes. Huh? Mesa, you're raising your hand. Yes, do you want to say something?
Miss,
Yes, ma'am.
this sheet we should make it today.
Yeah, you should answer them and send them to me on the assignments. They are homework.
Is homework?
Yeah, they are homework, yes. Okay. Okay. Type. Yalla guys. Huh? Jump 4 or 5 times. Huh? Excellent. Jump. Jump. Yalla grade 1. Jump. Jump. Yes, Batul, leave what you have in your hand and jump. Jump. Huh? Jump. Jump. Excellent. Excellent. Jump. Faster. Faster. Did I say 5 times or 15 times? Faster. Jump. Jump. Huh? Higher. Yalla Rukaya. Rukaya. Huh? Yalla Yasin. No Yasin. It's not. Yeah. Huh? Jump. Faster. Faster. Huh? Adam. Ahmed Yahya. Yalla Habibi. Jump. 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 Huh? Jump. Okay. Now I want you sit down. Sit down. Okay. Stand up. Stand up. Huh? Stand up. Sit down. Batul, leave what you have in your hand. Huh? Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Okay. Jump while you are sitting. Jump while you are sitting. Huh? Jump. 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 Jump while you are sitting. Jump. Jump. Excellent. Excellent. Grade 1. Huh? Who is better, boys or girls? I think girls are better. No, no, no. Excellent, huh? Faster. Yalla, Rukaya Yahya. Rukaya Yahya, it's not optional. You must do it. Huh? Jump while you are sitting. Rukaya. Huh? Move. Huh? Excellent. Okay, now raise your hand up. Raise your hand. Okay. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Yalla Yasin, huh? Shahd, hands up. Yalla Mesa, Mesa, hands up, huh? Excellent. Hands down. Okay, can we say together Canada to the north and Mexico to the south? Yalla guys, huh? America has 2 neighbors. What are they? No, while you are raising your hands up and down. Okay, so in this activity, Amr and Carla and Malika, they didn't participate with us. I want to know why. Now, the 3 of you should stand up and you will do it by yourselves. Yalla. Amr, Carla, and Malika. Stand up. Yes. Huh? Stand up because you didn't share with your friends. Ahmed, I told you to sit properly. Huh? Yalla Cookie. Carla, stand up with them. Huh?
مس أنا مش هعرف أقف عشان الكرسي اللي أنا قاعدة عليه طويل جدا.
You cannot put it aside and stand up away from this chair?
No.
You cannot really?
Yeah.
But if your mom is beside you, she can put it away for you. If she can.
No, my mom in the.
At work?
In the work.
Okay. طب يلا. ها. Canada to the north. يلا عمرو and Malika. ها. How do we make Canada to the north and Mexico to the south? ها. Hands up, hands down. Canada to the north. Mexico to the south. ها. No يا عمرو. Not while you are sitting. Stand up. Stand up. Yes. Okay, now I want from you to jump for 5 times. ها. يلا Malika. Malika and Amr, jump. ها. Jump. 1, ها 1 2 يلا عمرو jump jump ها 1 2 3 4 5 excellent thank you so much you can sit right now you can sit okay so now we will start with the second session and also we are still in social. First, I will ask you, Shahd, please, I want you to uncover yourself. And if you are cold, you can put on a jacket. But if you are sitting like this, you will sleep and you will not concentrate with me. Okay, Shahd? If you want to wear a jacket, but please, you cannot cover yourself with a blanket like this because your eyes start to close. Your eyes start to close, يا شهد. شهد, can you hear me, حبيبتي, or my voice is not clear?
Yes.
Yes, حبيبتي. I told you, if you are cold, you can wear a jacket, but not to cover yourself with a blanket or a shawl, because you will sleep, really. And especially you are switching off the light, your eyes will start to close. Okay, Shahd? If you want to wear a jacket, we will wait for you to wear a jacket and come as you like. But please, I don't want you to cover yourself like this. Type. Amr, where you said, guys, don't put your hands like this. Don't put your hands like this. طبعا Mr. Omar, welcome. Ya Omar, you were written as absent in the previous session, Ya Omar. I warned you before. This will affect your marks. And this is not good. Because every session we are taking the attendance. Ya Omar, please wake up early like your friends. Type. I want now to ask Laura Eunice. Good morning, Laura.
Good morning, Miss NG.
Laura, I will ask you about something, okay? And you have to look at it and tell me how much is it, okay?
Okay.
1 minute. Okay. Now, Laura, let me share the screen with you. Laura, are you still with me?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me what can you see?
Some bites.
Yeah, some bites. Did you eat before some bites? Did you eat it?
Yeah.
Did you buy it from the supermarket before?
Yes.
Okay, do you remember how much is the some bites?
10 pounds.
10 pounds? Some bites cost 10 pounds. Is it the big one? Because I didn't buy the big one before, but
No, it was the small one.
the small one costs 10 pounds? No, Laura, but it's very expensive like this. I think it costs 2 pounds also, or 2 pounds or 3 pounds, the small one. Okay, thank you, Laura. So you told us some bites cost 10 pounds, but I told you I don't know what about the big one, but the small one costs 2 pounds. Thank you, Laura. Next, let me ask Yasin Ayman. Yalla Yasin, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
I will ask you about something else, if you know it's a prize or not. Okay. Yasin, what can you see in front of you?
milk.
Milk, or yeah, Johanna, milk. Okay, do you know how much is it? Did you buy it before? The small one or the big one? Do you know how much is it?
No,
No, you don't know.
I
Yeah,
forgot it.
the small one, Yasin, costs 3 pounds. And the small one costs from 3 to 5 pounds, I think. Okay. Okay.
I did the big one.
Okay. Do you know how much is the big one?
Wait 1 minute.
Where are you going? It's okay. You don't need to ask a friend or brother or sister for help. It's okay. If you don't know, it's a prize. No problem. No problem. No problem, Yasin. It's okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay. Now let me ask someone else. Let me ask Batul. Yalla Batul. Put it aside.
Yes.
Put it aside as I told you before. That. Now let me ask. Okay. Huh?
Miss Angie,
Yes, dear.
can I answer one?
Yes, I will share it with you right now. Okay. What can you see in front of you?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Do you know how much is the chocolate? Did you buy chocolate before? If you bought this one, for example, do you know how much is it?
20 pounds.
Yeah, 20 pounds. Okay, thank you, Batul. Mesa, sit down properly. Mesa, sit down properly. Yes, you are in a session. طيب. Okay, let me see who will we choose. Mustafa Hfela? يلا Mustafa. Your
Yes.
time. Your time. It's your turn right now.
Yes.
Okay. طيب. Now let me ask Mr. Mustafa about okay. Mr. Mustafa, because I know most of you buy it from the school. Yalla. What can you see right now?
Chips.
Yeah, do you know what is it for, no? Right? Did you buy it before?
Yes.
Okay, do you know how much is it?
5 pounds.
5 pounds. Okay. Thank you, Mustafa. Okay. Now let me ask someone else. Mr. Omar. Yalla, Mr. Omar.
Yes.
Are you awake right now? Now let me. Okay, let me ask you something. Okay, huh? Now I will share it with you, Omar. Omar, what can you see in front of you, please?
Milk.
What is this?
Milk rolls.
Bake rolls. Yeah, did you buy bake rolls before?
Yes.
Okay, do you know how much is the small one? Or the big one if you bought it? Yani, do you know how much is the bake rolls?
No.
You don't know? let me ask Malika. Okay, Malika, did you try big rolls before?
Yeah.
Okay, how much is it?
5.
5. This is, I think, the big one, right? Because the small one was just 2 or 3 pounds. Okay, thank you, Malika and Amr. Right. Why did I do this? Because I will move to this part, which is called the graph. This is the start of our lesson, okay? Or this is a skill builder, not a lesson. It's a skill builder in social that will tell us about any product or any item. If you want to know any information about anything, you just need to look at the graph and it will tell you about the price of different things, and by the end you will be able to compare between these things, which one is better or which one is more expensive, which one is cheaper, which one matches with the amount of money that you have. Okay, now I want Asil, can you count from 1 to 5, please?
What?
I want you to count from 1 to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, thank you so much. So here we have in the graph the product or the item that you want to buy and its a price. But here we have, right, why should I tell you what do we have? Laura, if you are eating candy, please, I want you to put it aside. Salim.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, yes. I will come back to you. Salim, can you point or to put your hand on the milk, please? Where's the milk? Okay. Can you count for me the dollars that are under the milk? Huh? Count.
1, 2.
How many dollars can you find under the milk?
2.
$2. Thank you so much. Now let me ask. Rukaya Mahmoud, yes, I said that I will be back to you. Rukaya, can you put your hand on the orange juice, please?
Okay.
Huh? Did you find it?
Look.
What is it?
Here.
What color is it?
Orange.
Okay. Now, Rukaya, I want you to count for me the dollars that are under the orange juice.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, Rukaya. 3. Okay. One of the boys. Yalla, let's say good morning to Mr. Yasin Sharaf. Good morning, Yasin.
Good morning, Miss Angie.
Can you put your hand on the cereal, please? Huh? Where is the cereal? Did you find it? Did you find it? Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know what is the cereal? It's like cornflakes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you count for me the dollars that are under the cereal?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Lana, sit down properly, please. Thank you, Yasin. طيب, now my question will be for Adam. Adam, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, now I asked your friends to look at milk, orange juice, and cereal, and they count for me the dollars that are under them. Okay, طيب, I want to ask you about the price of the orange juice. How much is the orange juice?
3.
3, right? How do you know? How do you know that the price of the orange juice is 3 or $3? How do you know?
Because I look at them and I find this is 3.
Yeah, you counted the dollars that are under the orange juice and you recognize that it costs $3. Thank you. Thank you, Adam. Now let me ask Carla. يلا Carla. Good morning.
Yes.
Carla, I asked your friends about milk, okay, and they counted the dollars that are under the milk. Can you tell me how much is milk?
2.
$2. Because what did you do?
I count.
You counted the dollars that are under the milk or under the orange juice?
Milk.
Milk, of course. Thank you, Carla. Now let me ask Laura Islam.
Yes.
Have you finished your lollipop?
No.
Okay. Now, can you tell me how much is the cereal?
Yes.
Huh? How much is the cereal?
4.
4. What did you do?
I didn't make something.
What did you do? How do you know that the cereal costs $4?
Because I see the money.
Because you looked at the money or the dollars that are under the cereal and you started to count them, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Laura. Now let me ask. Choose anyone who didn't answer today with me. Okay, now, Layan.
Yeah.
Okay, Layan, can you look at the bananas, please?
Yeah.
Okay, how much is the banana?
£1.
$1. How do you know that it costs $1?
Because I count the money.
Okay, because you counted the money for the dollars that are under bananas. Okay, now let me ask Zain. Hello, Zain.
Yes.
Can you point or put your finger on the bread, please?
Bread piece.
Bread, on bread. On bread, please. Yeah.
It's
Okay. How much is it?
$3.
How do you know?
Because I look at the cost.
Yeah, you looked at the dollars that are under bread and you started to count them, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you, thank you.
£3.
Okay, now let me ask Shahd.
Yes, Miss Angie.
Shahd, can you look at the eggs, please?
Yes.
How much are eggs? Or how much is a dozen of eggs? Huh? How much? 2. It costs 2, right?
$2.
$2. How do you know that it costs $2?
Because I look the money.
You looked at the dollars and you started to count them, and you know that the dozen of eggs costs $2. Thank you so much. طيب. Let me go to this part again. Now we will answer, okay, the questions that you will get their answers from this graph that you have it in front of you. We will not write anything from our mind. No, we should look at the graph. This is called the graph that you looked at it, the picture, and under it, the price of it, because it gives you information or it tells you the price of anything, right? We can arrange a graph not only for these items or products and their price. No, we can arrange a graph for grade 1 to know who is absent and who is not absent. So how will you know? You should look at the graph and you will find the names. You will check the names and you will find who is absent and who is not absent. Like the graph of your schedule. How do you know that what session is do you have right now? You should look at the schedule and you look at the first session or the second session, and it tells you who is who, or the name of the teacher that you will have right now. So all of these, they are different examples of graphs, and by the end, it gives you what you want, and it tells you the right information. Right now, let's ask Yasin Sami from the boys team. And Yasin, I want you to tell us which costs more. You will answer the first question. Okay, Yasin, are you with me right now? Okay. Which costs more, the eggs or the bread? Which costs more, the eggs or the bread? طبعا Yasin will not tell us anything from his mind. He should look at the graph first and he will tell us which costs more, the eggs or the bread. Yasin, can you look at the eggs, please?
The bread.
1 minute. How much are the eggs?
2.
2. Okay. So we have the eggs here. 2. Okay. And how much is the bread? 3. Okay. So which one costs more? Which one costs more? The eggs or the bread? Bread. Excellent. Thank you, Mr. Yasin. So what did Yasin do? Yasin, he looked at the graph and he looked at the price or the cost of the eggs and the cost of the bread. Sit down, Yasin. Sit down. Yes. He looked at the cost of the eggs and the cost of the bread, and he found that the bread costs more than the eggs because the bread costs $3. So what should Yasin do? He should, no. He should go to question number 1 and he should write the answer beside it. He should write eggs. Okay? If you have your textbook, you can write it on it. But I don't want you to write anything right now because I want you to concentrate with me. Okay? So which costs more? Eggs. Sorry, bread. I'm sorry. Sorry. Which costs more? Bread, because the bread costs $3 and the eggs costs $2. So we should write bread. Thank you, Yasin. Now, my second question will be for Dalida. يلا يا ديدا. ها؟ Dida? Faster, please.
Yes, miss.
Yalla, dear. Question number 2. Which costs less? The opposite of more is less, okay? The cereal or the orange juice? Which one is cheaper? The cereal or the orange juice? What should you do, Yadida? You should look at the graph to tell me which costs less. Which costs less? Or which yeah, it doesn't have too much money. Which costs less, the cereal or the orange juice? How much is the cereal?
$4.
$4. And how much is the orange juice?
$3.
$3. So here, which one costs less? Orange juice,
Orange juice.
or cereal?
Orange juice.
The orange juice, of course, because the orange juice costs $3, but the cereal costs $4. Okay, thank you, Dida. So Dida looked at the price of the cereal and the orange juice, and she found that the orange juice costs less. It doesn't cost too much money. Cereal costs more than the orange juice, so we should write orange juice. Okay, thank you, Dida. Now my question will be for a boy. Okay, but don't know if we will have time to answer it or not. يلا مصطفى عمرو. ها مصطفى عمرو. Faster. How much would it cost to buy milk and cereal? Yani if you want to buy milk and cereal, how much would it cost? You should look at the milk and you should look at the cereal. 1 minute. Huh? Faster. Milk and cereal. How much is the milk?
2.
How much is the cereal?
4.
4. So how much would it cost to buy both of them? 2 plus 4 equal?
6.
6. Excellent. So it will cost $6. Okay, so we should write here $6. Thanks, grade 1, for attending